Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today we discuss the topic metallic bond from chapter 4 structure of molecule. Metallic bond. It is a type of a chemical bond formed between positively charged atom in which the free electron are shared among lattice of cations, or the chemical bond that result from the attraction between metal positive ion and surrounding sea of electron. Dear student, metallic bond exists in metals. In metal lattice, metal atom lose their electrons and become positively charged ion. Atom lose their electron because they have low ionization energy values. Now this outermost electron is not belong to any metal atom and are said to be delocalized. This is the electron that come out from the metal atom, and now it is known as delocalized electron. This delocalized electron is not associated with any particular nucleus of metals. Instead, they are free to move throughout the whole crystalline structure, forming sea of electron. Positive ion have fixed position in lattice, while this delocalized electron is shared in all atoms in the metallic structure. We describe the metallic bond with the help of electron C model because it is not the bond like a ionic bond where complete transference of electron, not like a covalent bond where mutual sharing of electrons takes place between the atom, nor it is like a coordinate covalent bond where shared pair of electron is donated from one atom to the other. It is a special kind of a bond that exists in metals, in a metal cation and metal electron, and we discuss it through electron C model. Now what is this electron C model? The electron C model is a model of a metallic bonding in which cations are considered to be fixed point within the mobile C of electron. Mobile sea of electron are those electrons now which are free to move this whole structure as you seen in the diagram. Now they develop the electrostatic interaction or electrostatic force of attraction between the metal positive ions and this delocalized electron or free electron. Now let's see. There are the sharing of many electrons that are delocalized and the metal positive ion. So a strong force of attractions develop between the metal positive ion and the negative electron, as you seen in the figure that these negative electrons shown by a blue line and the positive ion that are the metal ions. These electrons are surrounded by many positive ions, and in the last diagram these positive ions are surrounded by many free electrons, so they develop a strong force of attraction with each other and make a bond known as a metallic bond. And these free electrons are not supposed to be the electron of any one of this atom. As they are free, they are delocalized, therefore due to this metal have various kinds of property that we discuss. All metals are solid at room temperature except mercury because due to these free electrons and the metal positive ions atom have a strong force of attraction, therefore they are solid at room temperature. Metals are malleable, they can be turned into sheets and foil. Metals are ductile, they can be drawn into wires. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity due to these free electron because the movement of electron conduct the heat from one atom to the other, and similarly the movement of electron conduct the electricity. Metals are lustrous, they have a shiny surface. Gold, you see that it has a shiny surface. Why it is shiny? Because it has so many free electrons that make their surface shiny. Metals are sonorous. Again, due to these free electrons, they produce specific ringing sound when struck. Metallic bond, it is a kind of a bond in which the metal ions are surrounded by the free electron or the sea of electron. It is the bond which is formed in metal. It is not a bond like ionic covalent or coordinate covalent bond. It is a special type of a bond in metal which is described through electron C model. In electron C model, the positive ion have a fixed position in lattice, while these free outer shells electrons are delocalized and they are shared between all the atoms in the metallic structures. And the metals is held together by these attraction between positive ions and negative ions, and they make a bond known as a metallic bond. And due to these free electron, metals show various properties such as malleability, ductile, lustrous, sonorous. Hope so. Now it is clear to you. Now there is a quiz, dear student. Define metallic bonding. Why metallic bond exist in metal? What is the electron C model? What is delocalized or free electron? This is the end of our lecture 4. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.